Preventive maintenance is the care and servicing of facilities and equipment to maintain their satisfactory working condition. It can include cleaning, checking, minor repair, refueling, inspection or changing of machine parts. To manage business facilities effectively, a preventive maintenance must be incorporated. It is an important factor that every business should consider if you want to maximize your assets' performance. So what are the benefits of having a preventive maintenance for your assets, facilities and equipments? It increases productivity of equipment. You don't want equipment that is working at a slow pace like it has been working since the 1800s. Preventive maintenance makes assets work just like brand new because it is well maintained. An efficient machine will be the basis of a productive work in a business. It decreases operating cost. You avoid having to spend so much money in fixing big problems with your equipment if you have preventive maintenance. You also save manpower spending in deploying maintenance personnel in doing repairs. Next, it saves time. Preventive maintenance takes lesser time in contrast to doing big repair work on the onset of a machine breakdown. Not only that maintenance personnel saves time in maintenance work, but also gives operation none or less downtime, gives business that confidence to deliver. Having known that preventive maintenance is a valuable aspect of every business operation, your business will have the confidence that you can deliver to the expectations of end customers regarding your service. With the development of technology, maintaining assets is now hassle-free with a preventive maintenance software like GoCMMS. GoCMMS is a fully web-based preventive maintenance system for your assets' preventive maintenance needs. Visit www.gocmms.com and sign up for a free account today.